In this video, we'll give a quick overview of Showcase Management, one of the key features of JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via Component Menu Item. This is the Showcase Manager page. From here you can create a new showcase by clicking on the New button. The Showcase Settings page will be shown for creating a new one. Make a selection from the list of showcases and click on the Copy button to make a copy. The showcase is duplicated but not published. The third function is Edit. It allows you to edit showcases. Just make a selection from the list of showcases and click on the Edit button to edit that showcase. The next function is Delete. It allows you to delete showcases. Similar to the last function, we need to make a selection from the list of showcases. Click on the Delete button and confirm. Now your showcase is deleted. Next is the Unpublish function. It allows unpublishing a showcase that is now published. In contrast to the unpublished function, the publish function allows publishing of a showcase. Select the unpublished showcase and click on the Publish button. On the Showcase Manager page, you can also filter the showcase by title. Just enter the showcase title and click on the search icon. Next is filter the showcase by its published state. All functions of Showcase Management have now been introduced. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.